I'm trapped in a box of memories where poison that kills my heart. You left me without a warning. Now I don't know who you are. I'm living in a Schrödinger's heartbreak, a superposition of love and hate. I can't escape this paradox until you open up the locks. I'm stuck in a loop of uncertainty with a chance that you'll come back. You said you needed some space. Now I don't know where you're at. I'm living as a Schrödinger's black cat, a superposition of alive and dead. I can't escape this paradox until you open up the locks. The locks. With a chance that you'll come back. You said you needed some space. Now I don't know where you're at. I'm living as a Schrödinger's black cat, a superposition of alive and dead. I can't escape this paradox until you open up the locks. Ooh yeah. A superposition of alive and dead. I can't escape this paradox until you open up the light.